Hey Shiba Inu fans, today we have some important updates. First from CZ, then we gotta talk about a new coin, what's new features that are on CoinMarketCap, CZ said, and of course, CZ, the owner of Binance, has been under a lot of pressure. Thank you so much for dropping a like. We're gonna be talking about so many things today, especially what's going on in the crypto market industry right now. Yes, the market has been in a big dip. Yes, the market has been falling. But the most important thing we have to know here is that it's not over. There's a lot of coins out there that are going to be growing, and that the CZ Binance CEO has not only been tweeting about Binance, he has been tweeting about Shiba Inu, he has been tweeting about other things as well. What new features are on CoinMarketCap, and one of these things is the legal tender. A lot of countries are going to be starting to accept Bitcoin as legal tender in the following years. Maybe by the end of 2022, maybe by the end of next year. Who knows? But it's going to be soon. And obviously, the market is evolving right now. So that's really exciting to see. Binance Smart Chain was the most used blockchain in Q2 of 2021. And something that we have to know is that Shiba Inu will grow pretty much soon. So with that, there's also going to be a lot more coins growing on the Binance Smart Chain from itself. Of course, he's promoting the Binance Smart Chain, but the Ethereum Smart Chain and something that Shiba Inu will have is its own blockchain. And a lot of these coins are offering some massive utility features. So if you check over here, this is some great news. Just wanted to say that people are still using crypto now more than ever. PayPal is going in and increases crypto purchases limits to 100K, which means more and more people will be using crypto now, will be actually investing, and this might be your chance to get in onto those early coins. The company said the move was aimed at giving customers more choice and flexibility to purchase crypto. Payment providers company PayPal allows US-based users to purchase 100K in crypto weekly. In a Thursday announcement, PayPal said it had increased the crypto purchase limit for certain customers based in the United States from 20,000 to 100,000 per week. The company said the move was aimed at giving users more credible and flexibility in purchasing cryptocurrency. So it's happening. You know, finally PayPal is going in on crypto, and with that, more smaller coins are going to be growing during the next bull run. Do you know which these coins will be? Probably the ones that are most profitable right now, the ones you should really invest in. The company initially announced users would be limited to purchasing 100K in crypto each week. The feature launched with a 200,000 limit. The platform has been expanding its features for crypto users since last year, partnering with Coinbase to allow crypto purchases through the major exchange. While the PayPal-owned payment firm Venmo launched crypto trading in April. Before a Venmo announcement, CEO Dan Schulman said he expects the average monthly volume for crypto transactions of PayPal to reach 200 million in a matter of months. And a lot of people from PayPal are going to be buying Bitcoin. Will there more cryptocurrencies be listed? Most likely, yeah. According to analytics site Statista, PayPal had roughly 400 million active user accounts as of first quarter of 2021. The company has continued to invest in blockchain-focused firms, including Blockchain Capital and blockchain intelligence platform TRME Labs. And with that being said, there's going to be a lot of cryptocurrencies that are going to be growing. A lot of them. A lot of them are going to be fresh. One of them is going to be Shiba Inu, but there's still so much potential in the cryptocurrency space. Now let's make crypto more green. So he's going in for making crypto basically green, which a lot of these companies want. A lot of these companies need to support the world so countries can get in on it. The countries can actually start accepting that green market we all deserve. If we check over here, this is the new coin I wanted to talk about. You heard of token economics. 4% redistributed to my Bitcoin holders in Bitcoin on every transaction every 60 minutes. So what they're giving, and this is really exciting to me from what I found, the next generation Bitcoin auto earner, the first and only Bitcoin reflection token. So obviously, SafeMoon has grown a lot, and this is the best thing. They have an anti-whale mechanism, inbuilt anti-pump dump exit. Cells larger than 0.1% of the total supply will be rejected, and every wallet can hold a maximum of 0.3 of the total supply. So there's no whales here. Well, you know, Dogecoin has a lot of whales. That's really exciting to me to see that there's finally a coin that will not just, you know, have whales that dump all of their tokens and drop the price. It's community driven. It has liquidity locked. It has 4% liquidity pool, 4% redistribution on Bitcoin on every transaction. Really exciting. Now, at first, I thought this wasn't legit, but after I saw this, that it has some transparent or familiar token economics, I saw something else. I clicked over here. I saw the chart, that you can actually buy it. I wanted to see how many transactions is going on. And I saw the price is actually going up. This token is about 5 days old. And some people are actually buying big on it, which is really exciting. You can see here, it started, at here on July 11th, and we're actually going steady. We're actually going up, and that's really exciting to me to hear. So, definitely some of these coins are super early. My Bitcoin being one of them, in 24 hours, only 10,000 volume, liquidity of 260,000. So that's still strong. Market cap of 300,000. That's much as bone, and it has been slowly growing, because if you get super early on these coins, that's the beauty of it. Remember what happened with SHIBA? Remember what happened with SafeMoon? Remember what happened with FEG? And so for Baby Doge, same thing happening here, only $10,000 in volume. So even if you put $10, even if you put $7, you could be turning that into $700, $500, because they do offer returns every 60 minutes. That's what they're promising. Just wanted to let you know that. Really exciting to see. But yeah, you can see the trades. You can see this token is definitely not dead. It's just getting started. And transactions are happening every single minute, and for the positive uptrend. And this is a very good breakout value. You can simply buy it, and that's it. You can see once again, more people are buying over here. And some are selling, but mostly people are buying. Now, that's really exciting to see, going slowly up. That's what I want to see with all the coins during a dip, which is really awesome. They only have 500 followers right now. I'll leave a link in the description. Just want to give the shout out to that. Going back to Binance news, yet I definitely do think there's going to be a lot more coins like this that are going to be growing, but some coins have much more potential, because when you give someone an incentive to actually purchase their coins and to hold their coins, the people are not going to be selling their coins. They're going to be holding. And same has happened with SHIBA Swap and SHIBA INU. People were actually holding their coins. People are holding their coins, right? And now they're decreasing the supply and increasing the demand, because more and more people love passive income. And what the Binance CEO is trying to say here, he's having a lot of jokes at the regulation, but crypto is not going anywhere. MicroStrategy may sell 1 billion in stock to buy more Bitcoin. The cloud software firm already has its most treasury holdings in alternative assets. And this tells you, if MicroStrategy is selling billions in stocks to buy more Bitcoin, people will want passive income from Bitcoin, and that is basically investing into that. So definitely be sure to check that out. I really like the project. I haven't met people for so long. I don't have any business cards. Obviously, some of the tweets he makes are just jokes, but the other ones are seriously serious, because as we know, a lot of transactions are going through Binance, and the Binance CEO has been under a lot of pressure lately. While I was getting out of taxi, the driver said, "Thanks for making your app." Honestly, he made my day, and that's really exciting to see. There's a lot of things we saw before that the Binance CEO has said about SHIBA INU. But if we check over here, now Binance is 4 years old, and they probably won't be going away. They have been on a huge crackdown lately, and the Hong Kong is next to go down on Binance. They will be cracking down on them, but he has a lot of messages and a lot of major urgent updates to SHIBA INU holders, because right now we're just super early into crypto, and I don't know why, but only Binance, who's having an 80% dominance in market cap, is going in for it. So definitely a lot of these coins, from what I'm seeing, are super, super fresh, and that's what I love. I love those beautiful gains, but Binance actually needed some time to grow to where it was. Now it's trying to being cracked down. Of course, we still have Coinbase to buy SHIB, but we have so many other coins. We have Binance Charity, we have Binance Institutional. So I don't think Binance is going anywhere from what I'm seeing. They have 180 countries and regions, but recently a lot of countries have been going on a full-on crackdown on Binance. And that's what I'm trying to find, because a lot of people buy from Binance. They buy their SHIB, they buy their other tokens from Binance itself. I got a feeling Bloomberg doesn't like me that much, but that's okay. I'm still thankful to my ex-employer. Stay compliant, work together, grow in the industry. So this is what he said. Basically, he's trying to make a full community for the Shiba Inu army. And that's how Shiba Inu basically grew, by having a full community. It pays its people on digital token of its own devising. It's based whether its founders happen to be. A growing list of countries want no part of it, and Binance might just be the biggest, craziest thing in the big, crazy realm of cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the world of Changpeng Zhao, the elusive flip-flop wearing software developer everyone calls CZ. He's the brains behind Binance. For now, it's the largest cryptocurrency exchange on planet. Link in bio. Binance booms as crypto trading unfolds beyond nation reach. So this is what we see, Binance being the next big thing. What's the message to holders here? He's saying to keep it strong, even though Binance had a big crackdown right now. Binance is not going anywhere, and this is what he's saying. Binance is still growing, but what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Because obviously, if Binance closed down, we still have Coinbase, we still have Robinhood, and they will never close down. They're just applied to the regulations. But with Shiba Inu, that can be purchased on so many platforms, not only Binance, but also Uniswap, Coinbase, as I was saying, eToro, Robinhood in the future. That's the most important thing he's trying to talk about. Stable coins are a big thing here right now. 3 of the top coins by the market are stable coins. And you can see here, Shiba Inu being on rank number 30, it can definitely beat Doge, but we can see Binance USD and Binance Coin and Tether over here. There's still so many coins to grow. That's the coin I was talking about before. We check over here that basically it's going to be growing much more. Is stable good or bad price-wise? And the most important thing we have to talk about is stable coins. Now, stable coins is something that Shiba Inu will also have from what I'm seeing. And there's still so much potential for stable coins that even countries went into it. The countries are going in hard, and we should have an economy that is able to support thousands of these initiatives at the same time, making us a more advanced civilization. Richard Branson plans to fly to the edge of space in his Virgin Galactic place on Sunday. Here's Branson and his future customers can expect from the 90-minute trip. And let's build it. So, he's trying to build a huge community, which I simply love. Already in a space exploration mission, will CZ Binance be the next? No, but I want to help build a strong economy that can support more of them. So he's still going to be supporting Shiba Inu coin no matter the job. So just relax, be yourself, that not himself, hire as part of a job, photo shoots. And there's he's saying, in God we trust, for everything else use a blockchain. So obviously the most important thing, this is what I wanted to say. A lot of people were very skeptical, especially after Italy came cracking down on Binance and all crypto overall, not just Shiba Inu. Do I look more regulated already? And he's taking a joke at it. Just found out I don't have dressing shoes at all, so went with sneakers. And the most important thing here is he's just having fun with it. Even when he's having, 10 countries having a big crackdown on Shiba Inu, having a big crackdown on all other coins, on Bitcoin, on their exchange, because it's the biggest exchange. Other exchanges are taking the opportunity and coming in stronger than ever. So by the end of 2022, we should be seeing Bitcoin reaching 100K. That's what I think. But obviously, he's saying FUD to all the FUD related news. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for checking that out. And definitely going back to here, I really do like the idea of 4% being redistributed to back in Bitcoin on every 60 minutes. Usually, you have to wait a little. They have a max supply of 1 billion and 10% burn so far. So that's something I can get behind on. Definitely do your own research, but this seems good so far. This seems very promising. Obviously, a lot of these coins have grown very well in the past. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Peace, everyone.